If you're running church finances on spreadsheets, paper receipts, or software built for small businesses, you're missing tools built specifically for how churches actually operate. In the next 7 minutes, I'll walk through every single feature inside ChurchVault. Not a sales pitch, an actual tour, sidebar, top to bottom. ChurchVault is a church finance platform built for churches everywhere. Whether your currency is the naira, dollar, pound, euro, or nearly any other, it works right out of the box. It handles multi-branch networks, and it has tools for things no other accounting software thinks about. Board reports, church tax across 7 countries, gift aid for UK churches, PAYE for staff salaries, and CIT-compliant receipts for corporate donors. Let's start at the top of the sidebar. First, the dashboard. This is the first thing you see when you log in. Total income this month, total expenses, net position, all in your church's primary currency. Recent transactions feed in real time. Any expense waiting on approval sits right here, flagged, so you can act on it immediately. If something needs your eyes today, it's on this screen. Next, deposits. This is where every gift that comes into the church gets recorded. Tithes, offerings, building fund, mission seed, special projects, corporate donations. Categorize them however your church already categorizes them. Every entry records who logged it, when, and which bank account received it. You can enter deposits one at a time, or bulk import them from your bank statement. I'll show you that in a minute. Payments handles every expense the church pays out. But here's what makes this different from regular accounting software: the 2-person approval workflow, built in. One person raises an expense: fuel, rent, staff allowance, equipment. A second authorized person has to approve it before it's recorded as paid. No check goes out, no bank transfer happens, without 2 signatures inside the system. This is the single biggest financial control most churches don't have. And it's the default here, not an add-on. Reports is where everything comes together. Income reports by category, by date range, by branch. Expense reports the same way. Bank reconciliation reports for your auditor, all exportable to PDF or Excel. On Professional and Premium Pro plans, you also get 2 things most churches have never seen: expense intelligence cards and expense to income ratio cards. These tell you, at a glance, exactly where your money is going and whether the ratios are healthy. Is personnel eating 70% of giving? Is maintenance spiking? You'll see it without digging. And on the premium plan specifically, there's a board report generator. One click, and it assembles the complete report your trustees or board need for their quarterly meeting. Income, expenses, ratios, flagged items, all formatted. No more Sunday night Excel sessions before a board meeting. Bank Import lets you upload your bank statement, CSV, Excel, or PDF. And ChurchVault pulls out every transaction automatically. It matches them against what's already in the system. Anything unmatched, you categorize once and move on. What used to take a treasurer 3 hours every Monday takes about 10 minutes. If your church has branches, and many growing churches do, this next section is why pastors switch to ChurchVault in the first place. The HQ Network dashboard shows every branch's finances in one place. Total giving across the whole network. Total expenses across the whole network. Per branch performance cards, so you can see which branches are thriving and which need attention. Each branch pastor gets their own login. They see only their branch, only their deposits, their expenses, their reports. The HQ admin sees everything. You get unlimited branches on Professional and Premium Pro. Network currency totals roll up automatically, even when branches operate in different countries and different currencies. Now we're in premium territory. the budget planning section. Most pastors don't see this unless they upgrade, so let me show you what's inside. 6 tools, all built for how churches actually plan a year. Church tax covers 7 countries: Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, the UK, and others. Different countries treat church income, church property, and church employees very differently. ChurchVault knows the current rules for each. You pick your country, the calculator handles the rest. Staff Salary Planner handles PAYE, pay as you earn. Enter a pastor's or worker's gross salary, and it works out the PAYE deduction, the pension, the net pay, and what the church remits to the tax authority. It also generates pay slips your staff can keep on file. Building loan affordability helps your board decide whether the church can responsibly take on a loan. Enter the loan amount, the tenure, the interest rate. It shows you the monthly repayment, what percentage of monthly giving that consumes, and whether it's within safe limits. Honest numbers, not wishful thinking. Year-end tax summary assembles everything your accountant needs for year-end filings. One button, done. Hand it to your auditor, save 3 weeks. Corporate donor CIT receipt. This one is specifically for Nigerian churches. When a Nigerian company donates to your church, they need a company's income tax compliant receipt to claim that donation against their tax. Most churches hand out a plain paper thank you letter, and the corporate donor can't claim it. ChurchVault generates the compliant receipt automatically. That's often the difference between a company giving you 1 million naira and a company giving you 10. And for churches with UK-based givers, Gift Aid Calculator. HMRC lets charities reclaim 25 pence for every pound given by a UK taxpayer. ChurchVault works out exactly what you can reclaim based on your actual UK giving. Every church on ChurchVault also gets a public-facing church page. Your church name, your logo, service times, giving link, pastor's contact. Share the link on your WhatsApp status, your Instagram bio, your church flyer, and members or first-time visitors can give to the church directly from their phones. No app download, no sign-up. Everything I just showed you maps to 4 plans. Free handles the basics. One branch, deposits, payments, basic reports. Essential adds capacity for growing churches. Professional adds the entire network and branches section. Unlimited branches, HQ dashboard, and branch pastor accounts. And Premium Pro, the top plan, unlocks the 2 sections we just spent 3 minutes on: budget planning and tax calculator. Pricing for every plan is on screen right now and on our website at semechurch.org. Annual billing saves you 2 months. Every plan includes email support and works perfectly on mobile. Every feature I just showed you, you can try for free. No credit card required to start. Sign up, put your real church data in for a week, and decide if it fits. Link in the description below. If you want a shorter overview of just the dashboard, watch the dashboard tour. If you have questions, the FAQ video answers the 10 most common ones. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, a like and a subscribe helps another pastor find the platform. See you in the next one.